Holy shit, I am tweaking right now. I finally did it. After 2 years of saving, 1 fantasy football championship, and selling 10 watches, we're here. We did it. Dog. I am freaking out. Okay. Let's look at all the booklet stuff first. And all of that. We have the booklet here. This is good. What is this? Customer service book. This is all in Japanese. Wow, it's all in Japanese. Okay. Put this back in, nice and neat. All right. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I'm at a loss for words. Oh, wow. It's in great shape. It's in good shape. It is, it's beautiful. I don't know if you can see that. That is a Heuer Carrera Glassbox Panda. What really pushed it over the edge and got me there was I sold like 10 of my watches. I sold more than I thought that I would. I ended up selling my speed timer, which I thought that I wouldn't sell, but I just went ahead and went for it. It was tough selling off some of the watches that I love, some of the watches that I got abroad, but now that we're here, this is it is worth it, my friends. It is worth it. This thing is absolutely gorgeous. It's in great shape. Oh my goodness, man. All right, let's try it on. Oh goodness. Wow. I have a 6.5 inch wrist. Definitely enough links, but this is what it looks like on my 6.5 inch wrist. I guess I should do some measurements. About 39.3. 39.2 diameter. Lug to lug is about 44.1. The one thing about this is that I'm not sure is the lug width. I think it said like 20.7 on the website. Looks like it could be a 20 mil lug. 20.5. They might force you to use Heuer straps for this watch, and then the thickness is 13.9. I knew this was going to be a little bit of a chunky boy. When I tried it on the AD, that was like one of the first things that I noticed how thick it was, but I wear a Black Bay Heritage 41, so I mean, I'm used to thick watches, but yep. But here it is. I'll be definitely posting about this watch as we continue to do life with it. Wow, I can't believe I'm holding this in my hand. This is crazy. I'm tweaking, y'all. I'm sorry. I'm bugging out. I am freaking out a little bit, but yeah, this is it. This is the one. It's what I've been waiting for, and I'm really happy that it's here. Wow, it's crazy. But yeah, stay tuned for more updates on this thing. I am going to be posting a lot about it, and I apologize in advance. But yeah, thank you so much for tuning in. I appreciate you joining me on this unboxing of my next grail, which is right here, Tag Heuer Glassbox Carrera Panda. And stay tuned, and I'll catch you on the next video. Peace.